I've been working on a game for the past 1 year. During the development of the game, I have added new stuff and removed a few stuff as well. I posted 4 different devlogs to show you guys what I added and removed from my game. If you guys haven't watched my old devlogs, I suggest you to watch them so you guys get the idea of what I'm trying to make. So I haven't posted any devlogs in the past 3 months. And today I'm back with a new one. My previous devlog was about the mod that I added to the game. The map was looking good and everything was going well. And then I got a few more ideas. So I started the project again. Since I cannot share everything about the game, I'll still share a few stuff about it. So the first thing I did was I bought a Steam page and it will be active soon. And I'm also planning to publish the demo version of the game in July 2025. So the new idea for the game was to make it a puzzle game. So the player solves puzzles and more puzzles and then finishes the game. So I started working on the game and then created a new map and came up with a puzzle. So this is how the map 1 for the demo game looks like. There is more maps in the game which I haven't finished yet. I'm planning to add 5 small maps to the game and I haven't even completed the second one yet. Then I changed the player model from this to this. I added it to the scene and I gave it a few animations. I also created a new player controller script for this player. This player controller is a little bit buggy, but I'll solve them in the future. Also, this player controller is physics based, not fully but a little bit. So the player has a few abilities like walk, jump, double jump and grab. And then I designed map 1. I modeled all of this in Blender and then added to the game, and now it looks actually good. I would love to know your opinion about the map 1, so please comment it in the comment section. I added a few stuff like a moving platform and lift to the new version of the game which I didn't have in the old version. To give the map more details, I added a few more islands and modeled some other stuff in Blender and then added it to Unity. It didn't bring a lot of change, but I like it, so I added it to the game. And then the multiplayer. I thought not to add multiplayer in the demo version, but the multiplayer will be available in the full game. I am currently working on the second map of the game. Not just the design of the map, but also the puzzles I should add to map 2. If you have any ideas, comment it as well. I also made a main menu and the settings menu. The settings menu doesn't look that great, so I might change it in the future. And after adding all of this and solving a few bugs, I asked a few of my friends to playtest it.
So I really like the game so far. The only issue right now is like optimization and other stuff, and my laptop isn't that good, but like I give it a good solid 7 out of 10 so far. Or the only few issues I've encountered was camera issues. But like I think he'll fix it up before releasing the game, so.
This is a playtester and the dev asked me to review his game. The style is cartoonish, similar to games like Human Fall Flat and In Sync. Although the controls are buggy on mouse and keyboard, the controls on controller run very smoothly. All in all, the game is very enjoyable.
So far the game's progression is going good, but slow. And that's it for this devlog. And before leaving, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one.